All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. I really appreciate everybody that entered to win the 50mm 0.95 7 Artisans lens for the X mount. Jose, you are the winner of this, and I will send you a message over on Instagram. You'll be getting this sent to you tomorrow. I don't know when it will get there, but it'll be leaving my hands tomorrow. So congratulations for that. Today I want to go over my thoughts on the CineBloom 20% filter. I know these things have been around for a while now, and we all know what they do, but I wanted to show some of the images that I've taken with it so you can kind of see what's going on and if it's worth purchasing for yourself. A few things that I want to go over about this is that the bloom is real. It's so bloomy. I mean, it flares huge. The highlights just get massive and everything's super soft, which is what I really wanted to achieve with this particular filter. I had the 10% for a long time and I really enjoyed using that one, and I figured that this one was going to be a little too much for me, and it kind of is in a sense, but at the same time I really enjoy looking at these images after the fact, and as I'm shooting I'm like, whoa, is this too much, is this too much? But when I get it back and look at it on the computer, everything ends up looking pretty good. If you do have a subject that is backlit and the sun is in the frame, then it is going to give you the biggest source of light ever, and it's sometimes overpowering, so you kind of got to put your subject to the side and just have the light coming in out of the corner. I'll show you an image of what I'm talking about. It's tough to deal with sometimes, but if you can use it properly, you can do some really cool stuff with it. I found that I really like doing direct sunlight with this. Of course, that's kind of my thing. That's what I usually shoot, but it makes the subject just look really soft. Everything looks very filmic. And I think it's really cool that you can offer your clients something like this and you don't really have to pay that much for it. And all you got to do is put a filter on your camera to achieve something. And the worst part about it is that you can't take it away once you do it. So if you are on a professional shoot, this is what you have and this is what you've got. So there's no changing it in Lightroom unless you, just add a little contrast and pull down highlights as much as you possibly can. But yeah, once you got the image, that's pretty much what you're stuck with. I know there's ways to achieve this look in Lightroom, make it hazier, or in Photoshop if you want to, but to me it's just a lot more fun to manually do it with a filter, and I've had a lot of fun shooting with this, and I'm going to continue to shoot with this, and yeah, this has been really great. So what I've done is give clients some options to use this feature, and I would send them directly to my phone and then send them to the client on the spot, which is really nice for them to have a kind of a sample, and then when I get home I would edit the raw files exactly how I wanted to, so they could have two versions typically. So you can, what I would recommend it for is to break away from the monotonous shooting and having to be so clinically sharp all the time. I think it's nice to have a film look and to offer that within a package of some sort and say, hey, I can do this, or just add it to your repertoire of stuff that you can do. It pushes your creativity because the light does change so drastically that you do have to think differently when it's on there, and it's really not that big of a learning curve. You understand it pretty quickly. So I would suggest this to anybody that's just wanting to, one, learn something new, or two, try something different. And I'm going to show you some images that I shot at a wedding and a few more that I shot just here and there. And I really hope you guys enjoy these images. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure you follow me at 100 Heart Photo on Instagram, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.